Hey everyone, this is a quick video to go over how to cross-list sections within your courses to reduce the number of tiles you have on your dashboard. Thank you, Dave Davis, for letting me use your classes as our example today. So what you want to do is you want to make sure before you even begin, you know which courses you want to move and where you want to put them, meaning what tile do you want to move that section of students. So once you know that decision, let's say we're moving students from this class, you want to go into the course settings at the bottom of your screen, and then click under sections, select the section that you would like to move, and then this would normally say cross-list this section because this has already been cross-listed. It says recross-list. So let's find one that has not been cross-listed yet. Okay, here's a good example. So it says cross-list this section, and then you can search for the course that you want to cross-list it to and select it, and then you'll click the option of cross-list this section, and then you've moved that group of students into the new tile. Simple as that. Let me know if you have any questions.